Okay, as discussed in class, this video is here to provide a little bit more explanation of assignment number 1, the literature review. In a nutshell, what I'm asking students to do for this assignment is to do a write-up on the specific biomechanical aspects of a sports skill and to really try to focus in on a specific biomechanical component of that skill. So what you're going to do is go find 3 sources. They don't have to be articles. They could, or at least not all articles. They could be online websites. It could be a blog. It could be a media or news type of source or a book. One of them, however, does need to be an academic peer-reviewed journal article. And then the other 2 may be something that's a little bit more mainstream. You're going to write up in 350 to 500 words a summary of this research. And that summary should make sure to, or be sure to address the 3 questions that I've got listed here. So first of all, what is the specific topic or the issue or the thing that you're looking at with your skill, the biomechanical aspect that you're focusing in on? And again, the 3 sources should really kind of tie together on that specific aspect. And you're going to tell me what that aspect is. Then I would like you to also tell me a little bit about what are the findings. What did you discover about this aspect? So the example I used in class was a hockey slap shot, and somebody could maybe focus in on the flex of the stick and how does that affect or impact the ability to impart force on the puck, which then in turn would improve or have some effect on the outcome of the skill, which is the velocity of the puck in the slap shot. So anyways, that's just an example. There's many other ideas out there. And the third point here I'd like you to address is who would possibly or could possibly use this information and how could they use it. It may be coaches, but if you do say coaches, you need to be a little bit more specific about how they can make use of it, how would it impact their teaching of the athletes or their coaching of the athletes, their the techniques maybe that they should be looking at, but it could also be something like an athletic therapist, it could be researchers. So try to take a look and see who would be able to make use of this information and how. You're going to use APA in terms of formatting, and what I'd like you to do is ensure that you're going to be using sources, so you need to have in-text citations and a reference page. You'll also need to have a title page, and there's a link here to show you how to format that properly. A little bit of a rubric here or a marking guide to show you what kinds of things I'm going to be looking at when I'm assessing this. And so just make sure you take a read through that and ask any questions you have regarding that. And don't forget that the APA quiz there, you need to achieve 100% on that to get those 2 marks regarding that. The deadline or the due date for this, I have bumped it back since we discussed this in class. It will be on Thursday, February 6th at 4 p.m. And again, you need to submit this as a Word or PDF document. And here is the list of skills that you may choose from. Finally, just to note that this assignment is an individual assignment, so you each will be handing or submitting this assignment individually, but after this assignment, for assignments 2 and the main project, you will actually be partnering up with somebody. So you may want to consider trying to get that partner in advance so that you are both working on the same skill. But that'll be up to you to decide if you want to do that or not. And that's it. Thank you.